It's been a relief to have it back restored the way it is now, and more of a relief to say that the Crusader is now finally back in his resting place, and the church, the vaults have been reconsecrated by the Archbishop. So that's important for me to know that these people who were disturbed are now finally resting in peace once again.
So as people go down, they will look into the vault that contains the mummies, and centred in the vault is the Crusader with his head back with him, thankfully. And then beside him to the right we have, it's commonly called the thief. And the reason he's called that was because he's lost his hand, and at the time that would have been a punishment for stealing. Now he's probably quite high status because he was buried in the crypt, so perhaps maybe he became a priest or something after that. On the other side then we have a gentleman who was just laid out in one of our other crypts, who is alleged to have been buried alive. So he dates probably about 350 years. So he's been put into a new coffin, and he now rests on the left hand side. And then there's other remains then of another mummy. We're not sure as to the origin. We don't have complete records for all of our remains, unfortunately.
Nobody wants to go through this again, no matter where you are. And yes, we have extra security, we've extra locks, we've extra gates, we've extra CCTV. And I think that's all you can do to a certain extent, because if somebody wants to do something, they'll break in regardless. They can break into a bank, they can break into Fort Knox, they can break anywhere. If they're determined to do it, they'll do it. But all we can do is put as much security in place as we can. It's been costly, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. I think the fact that everything is back to normal, so to speak, means that the local community can take pride in the place once again. The people of Dublin have their heritage back, and then internationally and nationally, visitors from all over the world can experience something very unique that is, well, you've seen for yourself. It's very unique down there, and I think it's good that people can experience all that.